Hey friends! Welcome to today's exciting chat on sustainable dropshipping, green practices in e-commerce. Think making money online and helping our planet can't go hand in hand? Think again. In this video, we're focusing on how you can fill your wallet by setting up a dropshipping business that's not just cool, but also kind to Mother Earth. Hit that subscribe button and join us at Millionaire Ventures Online, where we make money making fun and simple. Remember when we talked about making cash with Instagram Reels? We're bringing that same ease and clarity here. Let's meet Charlie, your guide in this green money-making adventure. Just like you, Charlie is super keen on making cash in a smart, eco-friendly way. Stick around as we break down everything into simple, doable steps. We're talking about what products to sell, where to find them, and how to get customers excited about buying from you. We've got the best websites, tools, and tips lined up, so by the end of this video, you'll be ready to start your own green dropshipping business. Ready to ride the wave of eco-friendly profits? Let's dive in. How to kickstart your profitable sustainable dropshipping journey? Why is sustainable dropshipping a smart way to make money, and what are the exact steps to get started? Hello, future eco-friendly business champions. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of sustainable dropshipping. It's not just about being kind to the planet, it's also a smart way to make money. More and more people are looking to buy products that are good for the earth, and you can be the one to offer them. Let's go through the steps to start your own green dropshipping business and turn your eco-consciousness into cash. Step 1. Spotting the trends. Start by identifying what eco-friendly products are in demand. Use tools like Google Trends to see what people are searching for. Are bamboo toothbrushes trending? Are organic cotton t-shirts the talk of the town? This step is all about understanding customer interests to pick the right products. Step 2. Sourcing your products. Next, find suppliers for these popular items. Websites like AliExpress and Salehu are great places to start. Look for suppliers who are known for their eco-friendly products and have good reviews. Remember, quality and sustainability are key to attracting eco-conscious customers. Step 3. Launching your online store. Set up your online store using platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce. These platforms are user-friendly and offer plenty of customizations to reflect your eco-friendly brand. Design your store in a way that highlights your commitment to sustainability. Step 4. Crafting your unique brand. Your brand is your story. Make it resonate with your eco-friendly mission. Choose a name, logo, and design that reflect your commitment to the environment. A strong, positive brand is essential to attract customers who share your values. By following these steps, you're not just starting a business, you're spearheading a movement that values both profits and the planet. Each step is a cornerstone in building a successful, sustainable dropshipping venture. Building your eco-friendly dropshipping store. How can you set up an online store that's both environmentally friendly and profitable? Welcome back, eco-warriors turned entrepreneurs. With your chosen eco-friendly products in hand, it's time to bring your green dropshipping store to life. Think of this as constructing your digital storefront, a place where customers not only shop but also connect with your mission to better the planet. Let's get into the nitty-gritty of building a store that's as green as it is profitable. Step 1. Choosing the right platform. Selecting the right e-commerce platform is your first big decision. Platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce are fantastic for beginners. They offer easy setup, support sustainable practices, and provide plenty of options to make your store visually appealing and functionally efficient. Look for features like low energy usage, eco-friendly apps, and themes that reflect your green ethos. Step 2. Crafting your website. Your website's design should mirror your commitment to sustainability. Use website builders like WordPress to create a look that's clean, nature-inspired, and inviting. Your website should immediately communicate your eco-friendly values. Think about incorporating elements like earthy colors, nature motifs, and easy-to-read information about the sustainability of your products. Step 3. Showcasing your products. Add your selected eco-friendly products to your store. Ensure each product's description is detailed, highlighting its eco-friendly attributes like biodegradability, organic materials, or energy efficiency. Clear, informative product descriptions help customers understand the environmental impact of their purchases. Step 4. Educating your customers. Education is a powerful tool. Create content like blog posts or videos that inform your customers about the benefits of choosing sustainable products. This could include information on how these products are made, their environmental impact, or stories about the suppliers and their eco-friendly practices. You're now equipped to launch your sustainable dropshipping store. By following these steps, you're not just selling products, you're promoting a lifestyle that values our planet. Stay tuned for our next section, where we'll guide you through effectively marketing your eco-friendly store to the world. And remember, every action you take towards sustainability is a step towards a better future. Spreading the word about your eco-friendly store. How can you market your sustainable dropshipping business effectively to draw in eco-conscious customers? Now that your eco-friendly store is up and running, it's time to let the world know about your unique, planet-friendly products. Marketing your green business is not just about selling, it's about sharing your passion for sustainability and connecting with like-minded customers. Here are some effective ways to market your store and make it a favorite among eco-conscious shoppers. Step 1. Excel on social media. Social media is a powerful tool to showcase your eco-friendly products. Platforms like Instagram and Facebook are ideal for this. Create visually appealing posts and stories that highlight the eco-friendliness of your products. Share behind-the-scenes glimpses of your sustainable practices, customer testimonials, and the impact your products are having on the planet. Step 2. Crafting engaging content. Content is king in the digital world. Start a blog or a YouTube channel where you discuss topics related to sustainability, eco-friendly living, and the benefits of your products. This content shouldn't just sell, it should educate and engage your audience. Share tips on sustainable living, the story behind your products, and how each purchase makes a difference. Step 3. Collaborate with eco-influencers. Partner with influencers who are passionate about the environment. They can help you reach a wider audience that shares your commitment to sustainability. These collaborations can take various forms, from product reviews to joint social media campaigns or guest posts on each other's platforms. Step 4. Highlight your sustainable packaging. Sustainable packaging can be a major selling point. Make sure to emphasize this aspect in your marketing efforts. Showcase how your packaging materials are eco-friendly, reusable, or recyclable. This not only appeals to environmentally conscious consumers but also demonstrates your commitment to sustainability in all aspects of your business. By implementing these marketing strategies, your store won't just attract customers. It will attract the right customers who value sustainability as much as you do. In our next section, we'll delve into strategies to keep your business growing while maintaining your green principles. Stay tuned to Millionaire Ventures Online for more invaluable insights, and let's make your eco-friendly business a success. Nurturing and expanding your eco-friendly e-commerce empire. How can you ensure your sustainable dropshipping business not only survives but thrives and grows? Congratulations on launching your eco-friendly business. But remember, as we highlighted in Unlock PayPal's potential, your gateway to online earnings, the real journey begins after the launch. It's about continuously nurturing and expanding your business. In the fast-paced world of e-commerce, growth and adaptation are key. Let's explore how you can keep your eco-friendly business flourishing and evolving. Step 1. Stay informed and adapt. Keeping up with the latest in sustainability is crucial. Follow sites like EcoWatch or GreenBiz to stay on top of eco-friendly trends and practices. This continuous learning will help you adapt and improve your store. Think of it as an ongoing education in green commerce, ensuring your business stays relevant and innovative. Step 2. Value customer feedback. Your customers are a wealth of information. Engage with them and listen to their feedback, just as we discussed in Blogosphere Breakthrough. Crafting your digital storytelling space. Use their insights to refine your product offerings and improve your services. This not only helps in retaining customers but also in attracting new ones who appreciate a business that listens. Step 3. Continuously update your inventory. Regularly introduce new and exciting eco-friendly products. This keeps your store dynamic and interesting, drawing in both repeat and new customers. Staying updated with the latest eco-friendly innovations ensures your product catalog remains fresh and appealing. Step 4. Build a community and network. Engage with online communities and networks focused on sustainable e-commerce. Networking with fellow green entrepreneurs opens doors to new ideas, collaborations, and growth opportunities. These connections can be invaluable for learning, supporting, and expanding your business reach. By implementing these strategies, you're not just maintaining your business. You're actively participating in a larger movement toward a sustainable future. Keep pushing the boundaries, and watch as your eco-friendly empire grows and positively impacts our planet. As we wrap up, remember that sustainable dropshipping isn't just a business model, it's a movement towards a healthier planet. By following the steps we've outlined, you can start your journey in eco-friendly e-commerce. Don't forget to subscribe to Millionaire Ventures Online for more insights into profitable and responsible business practices. Ready to make a change? Let's turn your green dreams into a thriving, sustainable business reality.